Hello everyone, welcome to the QD001 Smart Car teaching course. Section 4-2, Infrared Remote Control of the Smart Car. In the previous lesson, we learned how to make the smart car receive remote control signals. Next, we will learn how to use the remote control to make the smart car move. Part 1. Infrared Remote Control Smart Car. In implementing infrared remote control of the smart car, we need to control the car's movement according to different key commands. For example, press the up button, the car moves forward. Press the down button, the car moves backward. Press the left button, the car turns left. Press the right button, the car turns right. Press the 1 button, the car strafes left. Press the 3 button, the car strafes right. Finally, we need to design a way to stop the car. It is important to note that stopping is not achieved by a specific button. Instead, the car stops automatically when no button is pressed. Stop when released, which is safer. Part 2. Command Learning. To achieve remote control, first we need this command. This command is used to determine whether a specific button has been pressed. The first drop-down box allows you to select the pin number, and the second drop-down box allows you to select different buttons. This command can get the running time. It retrieves the time elapsed from when the system started running to the moment this command is called, in milliseconds. Part 3. Smart Car Laboratory. Now that you know these commands, let's complete the project. Controlling the smart car's movement with the remote control. Next, let's take a look at the remote control effect of the smart car. Now, let's implement the remote control car functions. Through programming, open ACECode. Step 1. We need to create a variable called last command time to store the time when the last valid remote control command was received. Step 2. Add the startup command and initialize the smart car. Step 3. Set up the automatic stop command. Drag out the forever block. Then use the operators block to subtract the time of the last received command from the current time. If more than 100 milliseconds passes without a new signal, make the car stop. Step 4. Check whether each button has been pressed. If the up button is pressed, the car moves forward. If the down button is pressed, the car moves backward. If the left button is pressed, the car turns left. If the right button is pressed, the car turns right. If the 1 button is pressed, the car strafes left. If the 3 button is pressed, the car strafes right. The program is complete. Click Upload to write the program into the ESP32. Look, the smart car has become a remote-controlled car. Release the buttons, and the car stops automatically, which is very safe. This program is also provided in the sample program, so you can open it for reference. Part 4. Extended Tasks. Now that you've mastered remote movement, you can do even cooler things, like controlling music, obstacle avoidance, and more, all with the same remote. Look, after pressing the number 6, the obstacle avoidance mode is activated, and pressing 5 will exit it. After pressing the number 2, the car plays music. Use your imagination and design your own multi-function smart car controlled by the remote. Feel free to share your creative ways of controlling the smart car with the remote. See you in the next lesson.